Honestly, I did not want to talk about this before. But anything she left from DAVIDO could down. I'll be sure she low money there. What don't she mechanic? When you're not a mechanic, look at the trouser. DAVIDO said he spent 3 point what? Please, you know how much did he spend?
He spent $3.7 million cash.
Oh my God.
Look at the trouser they gave somebody, a superstar on his wedding. Don't share Omola. To watch low money. And let you down because DAVIDO is a superstar. A superstar. Look at what I big a mechanic. To my bossy don't correct trouser where you go wear for your wedding. Look at upon the money where you spend. So don't love money. Be out on the mechanic cherry. We are not ready in this country. We are not ready.
Where they talk and say na people, na it be people problem for this life. It can't be like say na joke or na play. When the way they just do, you guys know CHIVIDO 2025 wedding where they just do. Everybody begin drag DAVIDO for wedding suit where they sew for am. This guy where you see for the video, Uche drag DAVIDO back to back like he give him woto, my country people. He said wedding suit where they're supposed to sew for DAVIDO where go fit and fine as a star. See the kind things where they can't sew for DAVIDO, like it can't be like say na UK use I go call like, it can't be like say na second hand. Like it be like wetin they select for where they select okrika. My people, Uche, na only you waka come o. You know say na DAVIDO sister na she plan this wedding. Sharon Adeleke arrange everything, and according to the report, they say they love CHIOMA and the Adeleke family. They describe CHIOMA as a very respectful person, decent. Like unlike DAVIDO is a superstar, say they expect say CHIOMA go be that kind person wey be say go come dey show her bag online, shoes, clothes, designer clothes, different things a lot. But CHIOMA na person wey be say she can't dey reserve, she not even come online come show all those things to people. So because of all these things, let me just say because of all these ingredients wey they see in CHIOMA, and she sabi cook well, she dey cook, dey entertain the family. So they can't just choose this CHIOMA like they have good relationship with CHIOMA because of her good personality towards not just the family of Adeleke, for her own self. Like she kind of reserve, she no dey do busybody. So the Adeleke Sharon come put body for the wedding. Na she come arrange everything, and then people come dey talk say, you no know whether na sister go sew this wedding suit for DAVIDO, because the way this DAVIDO suit just be, it be like waiting. They just buy only the material and they sew for an a free dress. And guess what? According to DAVIDO, he said this wedding suit you are seeing in this video is 3.7 million, abi something like that. That is how much they bought this wedding suit. And still haters they badmouth the suit, say the suit no go. Anyway, guys, everybody get right to talk wetin they like you can drop your own opinion. You feel say this wedding suit wey they sew for DAVIDO na bad wedding suit, or na because of the way the bag just say be, abi na the way DAVIDO say wear am, abi I no know, my country people, because as you can see, do you really think anything is wrong with this wedding suit that DAVIDO is putting on right now? Like the way haters just dey condemn this DAVIDO wedding suit. And apart from that, people don dey compare CHIOMA wedding gown with this Nollywood actress Pisiria wedding wey they just do. Things of celebration wey be say people supposed to happy for DAVIDO. Wetin be cloth sef wey they wear? This one wear this one wear this. When we understand that day is a big day for them, abeg no be cloth wey their hand reach They go wear before they know the bottom line of it. Say the traditional marriage they did was successful. The wedding this 2025 is also successful, and their marriage is blessed. I think that this is what Nigeria should concern about. Like this na the main reason. Anyway, pray for Davido and CHIOMA. Pray for CHIVIDO wedding 2025. Davido have different girls before he decided to shoot CHIOMA. He get why. So congratulate this couple, my people. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye for now.